Holy shit.
I gotta get a little closer look. Lots of smoke. It's on fire!
It moved the boat. It does look like it's on fire, doesn't it?
Huh. Lots of smoke, huh? That would be pretty brutal to light the place on fire out here, huh? No, I don't even think it stress cracked it.
Huh?
No, I don't even think it stress cracked it.
Had too much air gap underneath.
It did lift it though, you saw that.
Oh yeah, it did, John. It separated the two layers. It peeled it apart like a banana.
Oh wow, it did, didn't it? Huh. Blew the whole side out of it.
That's awesome.
Up another charge?
Can. Should I stop this one? We can roll it back over.